welcome again to this video. So in this video, we are going to discuss one of the most important question also asked during the interview. So how to read the multiple values from the keyboards in the single lines and receive all the numbers in the single line from the keyboards and just do the multiplications. For examples, if we have the input of 691 in the single line, how we're going to do the perform the multiplication 54, which is the output is 54. This is the expected. Input is this one and output this one. And it should be the single line of the input is only allowed, right? So there is a concept is in the Python, that is the split, right? So with the help of split method, we are going to do and perform this operation as all this problem statement. Now, how we are going to do that? First of all, we will going to take the input from the users, right? Suppose that there is a three input, okay? So in that case, we are going to take the input of A, B, and C. Three input, right? Then three variables are going to be take from the input, okay? Now we are going to use list comprehension here, okay? With the help of list comprehension, we are going to take perform the operation. So in the list comprehension, it's a one liner of the uh, statement is there, where we are going to take the and convert input into the integer, right? Whatever the integers we are receiving, okay? And how we are going to get these integers, how we are going to get this x. So we are going to take the x for x in input, okay? This input is coming from the user. So in enter the numbers which need to multiply, right? So enter the numbers with comma separated, which needs to be multiplied, right? So once user is going to enter with the help of this, right, this statement, we will receive all the numbers 6, 9, and 1 in the comma separated, okay? And then once we receive that, how we are going to do that? We are going to split this, right? So split based on the comma, okay? So input, whatever we have received, this one 691, we are going to split based on the comma. So these item are going to split into the list. So 6 will become a first item, 9 will become a second item, and 1 will become a third item. So this is whole, this is statement which I am going to highlight here will be become a list and having the item of this 691, okay? And these each and every items going to iterate over this for loop, and each and every x values going to convert and cast into the integer, because whatever the input we are receiving from the keyboards, it will be always a string. Then if we are going to perform the multiplications, then we have to add convert into the integer, right? So with the help of these operations, we are going to convert each and every digit into the integers, and then this whole list will be contain the 6, 9, and 1, okay? And now we have received all the ABC into the 691. And in the last, what is the agenda? Agenda is the output is multiplication of input numbers, okay, is comma A multiply by B multiply by C. So once we receive all the numbers separately, we are going to multiply that and we will get the output, correct? And if I'm going to show this result, okay, I'm going to execute this piece of code, and it will ask provide the number comma separated 6, 9, and 1 comma separated, and it will do the product of the 691, which is received in the form of ABC, which is a 54, okay? So I hope you understand this situation, this problem statements. and how we are going to use the list comprehensions. Thank you so much for joining this video. Hello.